Everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one of our lovely sister, our beautiful sister. Her name is Angelique Ukeji. She's an upcoming actress, yes, Nollywood upcoming actress. Her picture is here. You can see she's a very beautiful lady. So now this our sister Naikra come out to he say one actress, one superstar actress, so when they call Destiny Etiko, he say she attack her, she disgrace her, and he not like what she do am. Now she say make she still cry, come out, come talk, not because of only her, because of other people, when other people go still do am too, because this thing e don dey reign for everywhere, for music industry, for Nollywood and all that. You know, all these superstar, if you can't say me they can't follow JJC, can't act film, or they feel somehow, they no like encourage the person, they no like make the person, that is give the person that courage, that zeal to say okay, let me do it, or you fit kill that person morale. He say e not too good. He say that's why he cry come out. But before I will continue this talk, I just want to play a little video when she sent for me, then I will come back. Thank you.
Yesterday's date was what? October 25, 2019. So that happened the first day I happened to meet what is it called? One of the actors. Her name is Destiny Etiko. So at the point in time when we are at the location, the officer asked me to come around, and things were going on, though I wasn't part of the shooting for that day. So later the director, was like, Angelica, since morning you've been here, like your mouth has been whining. Oh my goodness. Yes, I decided to be chewing gum. And the last time he definitely saw me eating peanuts. He was like, oh my god, yeah, all this while your mouth has been whining. Okay, good and fine. Jokingly, I was like, oh, you never knew what I had been eating all the while. And besides, I don't want to get fatter and on my weight, so I just have to like eat something curly. That is it. So surprisingly or awkwardly, I had someone somewhere telling me that it was like if in the midst of people in our location, in a set of a movie. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I just like listening to that. I've never met her before, and I've never like have any exchange of words with you. And besides, this is my first time I'm setting my eyes on you. So how else would you like talk to me in such a great manner, in such a nasty way? Even if you feel like maybe I'm out of shape or maybe I don't look like you, it doesn't have to like shout it out in the hall, in that room where everybody is sitting down. Please, on this note, I just want to say something. Ladies and gentlemen, let's just love ourselves the way we are. I can remember my barrister friend who died because of what her friends told her, for her to like look slimmer than as she used to, or what. Naturally, God have made her to be a chubby girl. No, at the process of trying to make herself go down or weigh some pounds, she gave up. And now look at what this wanted me to do, because she looks at me, I don't have Benza, or maybe I don't have what is it called, automatic Benz, and she felt that this is the way she might feel to disgrace me in front of the crew, the artists, everybody there. No, I can't take that. Estimate, girl, wherever you are. I don't mean any evil. I don't have any wrong what is it called, wrong view about your personality. And please, you girls should try to respect other people's opinion and mind how you talk to people. Please. Thank you.
Okay, I hope you guys listen to her. I know say many people will come here come talk say why she talk, oh she for just quiet, oh she for not talk, she for not do this. My dear, person wey dey beat dem no say make the person no cry. She pour her heart because na wetin dey pain her for body. Because after I call her, I come ask am say, so now wetin be the situation of things now? She come tell me say the director of that particular movie na him call her say make he come take part for that movie. He say the director no ask for anything from her. He no even say he wan jogodo or anything. He say the director na very good man and responsible man. The man call am say come take part for this movie. He say na first time na here when she dey see this Destiny Etiko. You understand? So I come ask her say wetin be the situation of things. He say she no get mind to go the next day. The director call her to come the next day so that she go come take her part. He say she no get mind to even go the next day because she dey shame because of wetin Destiny call her. He say ekpa akpu mean bag of akpu. You know akpu na when you put am for inside bag you come swell, you come big. They use am mean somebody wey fat, no wey fat too much. Ekpa akpu he say he come dey shame. He say because when he even hear am say he come be like say make she dig ground, make she enter inside cover herself. She no be herself again. The next day fear no let am go back there again because she dey shame because he no know how wey other people wan take look her. Because she no be the slim type just like me. I no be the slim type. No be say I dey eat too much. No. I fit make one video when me and my friend we dey house together. That my friend na so she be like Indomie. Me fat, but food wey she dey eat, I no dey eat one quarter of that food. Na my nature, na my tendency say I be that big type. Why that my friend na the slim type? No be food dey make person dey fat. But I know say we go fit dey limit am, but no be everybody fit dey limit am. And everybody must not slim. You no fit dey laugh person say na so the person fat this and this ekpa akpu. When e be say you no fit create nose, this nose you no fit create am, finger you no fit create finger. E no good to dey laugh person because you no know wetin that person dey pass through. E come be like say you dey add petrol for inside fire. Because this thing really dey happen. So make anybody not talk say why she talk, oh she for not talk, oh she for not do. No, she get right to pour her heart. Na her she come pour. Una hear when say her friend wey be even barrister. Barrister na this one we no dey talk about education or not again because person wey don be barrister na person wey carry bag of school, person wey go school well na be barrister. A whole barrister sef e no fit bear am. She follow am, she kill herself because of say dem dey laugh am say she fat. This one na person wey be say e dey educated o. This one no be say na person wey no go school now say na e no go school, na low esteem, na inferiority complex na dey worry am. No, this one no be that one now. This one na person wey go school. How she come poor because no be everybody get that mind to carry am. Like me now, if you come meet me come tell me say hey you too fat o, you too do this o, hey this one big o, I get wetin I go tell you for my mouth. But no be everybody get word for mouth to tell person. No be everybody get word and no be everybody get that heart to fit take that kind shame and that disgrace. Some people fit take am, some people fit not take am. According to her now, she say okay wetin she go do now, make she come go kill herself like her friend. Na that one na Destiny wants. He say come here a peace o, but he just dey talk in case of next time make Destiny not try her again dey laugh person because you no know wetin that person dey pass through. Now God na create everybody. If everybody fit choose the way e want to be, I no sure say anybody for dey wey ugly for this life because everybody go pick wetin e really want, wey e need for himself. And come to think of it, the Destiny sef no be say she be slim type o. Though say she slim from up, she be if you see her backyard dem no go there. You understand? Mona go check her Instagram, Destiny Etiko na be her name. You understand? She no be the slim type because if you wan call yourself the slim type, you dey talk about the Genevieve. You understand? You dey talk about people wey be say dem dey do model. Like she now, she no qualify to go do any model at all. She because one, she no get the height. Two, her backyard dem no dey accept all those kind station for modern. Now people when slim finish, when be like I like indomie, now they take for modern. So why you go dey laugh person when you know say you no fit create somebody? And this goes to other people wey be say they sabi laugh person well well, and especially when they say this person na upcoming actress, upcoming musician, they always dey like to bully such people. It's not really good, because now they kill their morale, now they no get that mind to continue again. Because that person wey be say she wan be actress or musician today, if he get some people wey be say they go really like her, everybody must not like everybody. There are some of my friends, they say na Mercy Johnson they like pass, some say na Genevieve they like pass, some say na Motola they like pass. E no really mean say they not like the rest, but now wetin they like me now, I still get people wey me still like pass for the movie industry. But my choice will not be your choice. Okay, imagine now say I like Mercy Johnson pass now, and that's when Mercy Johnson they start say Genevieve not let Mercy Johnson grow. Mercy Johnson not just start again, she just go like that. Who for be my royal model now? Who I for like now they make example. And many people will be saying they don't look Mercy Johnson, that thing when they their chest, when they that wahala when they their mind before, it don't melt. Watching a film alone, not be said to watch film or just get what the film they talk about. No, there are some actresses and actors when be say if you just they see them, you not get anything when they bother you for mind again. They just like that person naturally the way they do it in. So you know if they bring somebody down like that, because she can decide say okay, I not go hurt again now, I don't leave her for destiny, and tomorrow somebody they will be say you go really admire this Angelica Ugeze. You understand? So I just try to talk this because this thing not be only for Nollywood for they happen. No, it they happen well for even YouTube. It they happen for YouTube. When I see one lady when they call Vera, when be say she they cry, everybody they talk say make she rest. Person when they beat, they not say make she not cry. Now what did she see? Now she they talk, because the same thing it happened to me. The same person did the same thing to me. I for don't enter house today, but I believe say many people still dey there when be say they still like me. When they call me, they encourage me, they tell me say if they just watch my YouTube channel, they'll just feel relaxed. But they not feel just like you. There are some people that will like you, there are some people that will like other people. The sky is very wide for everybody to fly. You understand? The same person do the same thing to me. Person when this Sister Vera they talk, so he did the same thing to me. But that time I was not having that voice to talk. Why I say I was not having that voice? Because when I start this YouTube, they not allow me, my family not allow me. They tell me say like anything social media, I'm out of it. But I tell them say now what I like is my passion. They say no. But I can see they try to make video, and when I make my first video, I not get any subscribers, I not get any view. So when I see say I not get subscribers, I can't begin to use all the phone wey dey our house till they subscribe to my channel. I use my children phone, I use my husband phone, I call my mother, I call my brothers, I call my friends. So yeah, subscribe. I can't just get, I think about 30, and some of my friends, I can't get about 30 to 40 subscribers. I was very, very happy. I can't dey post videos. Then my family come back again, say whether they don't want me, say make me not do YouTube. I can't say okay, wetin me go do now? I still do video again. I still say it was like a tug of war. The wahala was just too much for me. I can't ask, say I don't know how they say they operate YouTube. I can't ask, say how they say they operate YouTube, because I don't want me that they get notification again. They can't say unless I go unsubscribe them, they know they get notification. I begin they unsubscribe so that they know will get notification. Say I do video. I can't begin they hide, they do video. They dodge, they do video. They beg, they do video. And they even they bribe to do video. Just for me to be on YouTube, just for me to be on social media. So as people they hide, they do all this one, then I can't begin to see people they call me, people they call me, I can't they happy, I can't continue to they hide. Then my family when say they don't want me, I dey social media, me I dey YouTube. When they begin they see people they talk about me, people they share my video to them, outside that they share my videos to them. You understand? They don't get any choice again. than to say okay if na wetin you really want, if outsider fit support you, who we be when we no go support you? Inside this mist of arguing, make I no enter YouTube, make I no enter social media, inside this mist na the same lady wey Vera dey talk about, I no wan mention her name for my channel because I don talk am say I no go mention that name. Na there you come see me carry wetin I do. I no do anything o. I no do anything. This is the lady wey be say we dey chat. Even 2 years ago our chat contact still dey my messenger. If people want proof, I will bring it out. We dey chat, I dey encourage her, I dey like her, you know. Even when I come see start, I send message to her, I send message to Coco Mama, I come send message to another YouTuber again. I come say I just start, I need their support and all that. I know say nobody fit support person. But when I send the message, na only Coco Mama na reply me. That's why you see say I don play with Coco Mama. Only she na come dey encourage me, but I no still worry. You understand? Not until one day I just dey denge post for YouTube because both of us talk about one girl wey be say the girl she die for Modena. So we just talk about, we do the topic, you know, me I do my topic too, she do her topic. Then few days later I just dey denge post for YouTube. I see her own topic. She talk about another girl wey die for Reggio Emilia because Modena and Reggio Emilia they just dey very very close. Now I say wetin come dey happen? Our people just dey die anyhow for Italy. Now I say wetin dey happen again? Now I come click am say make I watch o. As I click am na wetin I no even expect now I come dey see. Now the person he talk all through the video. She curse herself. I come say why person go just sit down dey curse herself like this? I can't go into the comment section. People come dey even dey talk say okay this girl wey die for radio now wey you say you wan talk about, not be you talk about again o. Na curse you just come curse all through. Wetin you dey curse for? So me come dey even dey reason now. I come say who come be this person wey he put love for comment wey be say he come dey bring all those kind curse? Now I come say make I just go check my own video wey me do because I know say I do that video. Me I check my comment section. Make I read my comment section for you guys and I go put am for here. You wey dey watch me now, abeg make you read this comment section whether e reach to take curse all the curse wey dey for the words. Make I read am come out. Okay. Now one brother, his name na Kennedy. Now I drop this comment on my comment section. You understand? The brother write say, hello, last time I hear from so presenter. I go put the comment here on Mona still read down, Mona zoom hear from last time so presenter come out to talk about this lady. Then one man called her saying that she is a footballer. You mean a European footballer doesn't have money to pay her documents? Nigeria people. I go leave the comment there, Mona read down. Now the comment be this so. Now all the juju wey dey for the world. Now she begin dey swear for that her video. All true. You can still go back to the video, a girl that died in Reggio Emilia. You go see this video, the video where they talk about. She swear all the juju wey dey for their village. E come comot for the way dey their village. She come go the way dey the word in short. E swear all of them. Imagine. I come say which kind of life people dey live? But no be say I dey fear o, because my Bible tells me that I will curse those that curse you and bless those that bless you, and I stand upon the word of God, and that is my belief. So wetin I dey try to talk here be say when I see this thing I just feel somehow. The way this girl just dey feel now, I feel somehow. I wanted to retaliate, I wanted to say something, but before I say something I call some of my good friends. I come tell them say see wetin dey happen o. Wetin dey tell me? They tell me say this your YouTube, this your social media wey e be say you dey hide dey do video, you dey dodge, so you no wan hide yourself. If your family just see this video now, na be say you don enter house be that o, you no continue wetin you dey do o, I go just advise you to just ignore her and pretend as if you did not see the video. Just pretend. If not, you go enter house because they will see, your family go see something tell you say make you enter house, say you never start now and see. I come say okay, I come say but now when e be say people don dey watch me small now, na this kind thing go happen, I no go give up, I will continue. So I did not give up. But that time I was not having that voice because of my family, because we dey drag, they say me I no enter social media. But right now I am having the voice. Why I'm saying I'm having the voice right now is because of you watching me, you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, you that always leave comments there, you that always share my video, the WhatsApp chat group, the admin, you guys give me that strength to get mouth to talk now. Because now only I just put love. He say because say I put love for the comments. You guys know me say I dey always dey put love for my comments. Some people go tell me say madam your mouth dey smell, I go put love. Madam you too fat, I go put love. Madam go cook for your husband, I go put love. Madam abeg go sleep, liar, I go put love. Because na their mind dey talk. But I always say don't insult. You have every right to say their mind. Na their mind dey talk. I no take that as insult. And wetin this guy talk now, una go sit here for here, una help me whether this one na insult or not be insult. The guy just say im mind and I put love. He say because I put love. Because of that, to show say she don already get my bad belle before, I no know, I no get anything when I do her. You understand? I know say I come meet her for YouTube, but she come meet somebody too. So wetin me dey try to talk say now you wey dey now give me the power, the voice to talk now. That's why una see say I no come here come paint wetin no be, come dey paint something wetin e no be. I know my family no supported me to be on social media. But now you guys when they encourage me, they call me for phone, they encourage me, they watch me, they share my video, they leave comment there. Now you guys now support me. When be say I can't feel see come where I did today for this YouTube. And that's why I say when they give me my first check pay, I still come out, can't tell you now, say I thank you now because now. I don't think they pretend say now so my family support, they not support me. But now when they say una don't they support me, now they come say if outside that fit support me, why they not go support me? They start to dey support me now and then be the voice wey I get now. If not una for not get this voice to come dey do this video now, come sit down for here, maybe I for don enter house. So wetin I dey try to talk, when you see say somebody dey come up, what you will do, you encourage the person. If you know you cannot encourage that person, then you leave the person alone. You just leave that person alone to be, than for you to come dey scare that person, dey intimidate that man. I no go cut my tongue. They intimidate that person is somehow, you understand? That's why I say okay, may I still use this opportunity because this our Nollywood actress, e don still come and come still pour her own how she feel. Because this thing dey happen for YouTube, e dey happen for Nollywood music industry, e dey happen for everywhere. And I wan tell you right now, when be say you are just a beginner, you are just starting something afresh and somebody is trying to bring you down, no just fear at all. Because the sun not shine today, e no mean say e no go shine tomorrow. Today may be that person turn, tomorrow might be your turn. So no ever give up. Continue, focus on what you are doing, and the Lord is your strength. And I dey beg una wey dey on top, una dey drag people along with una, because before una dey there, somebody don already dey there, and after una, somebody go still come. There is no wayo about that one, wayo not there at all. So just try to be nice to anybody that is upcoming. You understand? Because tomorrow you don't know what we do for you tomorrow. You don't know we raise your name tomorrow. This person is not just like Coco Mama. Anywhere I know they play with Coco Mama. Because among the three of them was only Coco Mama that even encouraged me. You understand? But that one no problem, not there that one. But I just dey try to let you guys know, say to encourage somebody when somebody is trying to do something. Don't try to bring that person down. What is the Gary? Must everybody be slim? Must everybody be slim? No, but everybody not fit be slim. Now God wey create some people short, He create some people tall, He create some people fat, He get reason, shoe get size. You understand? The most important thing is how you package yourself. You package yourself. So don't ever give up, say because say somebody laugh you. No, don't give up. That be my advice to people. Abeg, don't ever give up. When you see say you dey do something, somebody dey laugh you, just waka pass that person and focus on what you are doing, and that thing that you are doing, you will see it will be a success. Yes, it will surely be a success. Because sometimes when you want to become somebody in life, temptation must come. And if you just dey look that temptation, see that barrister now, e say because say dey laugh her, na she just go kill herself, say she too fat. A whole barrister. So that one na error. Is an error. So my people, I just want to drop this message so that nobody should try to look down on anybody. Everybody gets their own for body. Nobody is perfect. You understand me? So my people, I just want to drop this message because according to this our sister, e say just wan drop am because na wetin dey bother her. Now no say this our channel, na wetin dey bother person dey come here come talk. So now she come see throway am just to encourage other people not to do the same thing. Mercy Johnson dey use Genevieve dey sing today. Like say Genevieve do Mercy Johnson kpakam kpakam kpakam. Mercy Johnson for no dey there today, but all the praises dey go to Genevieve. So I thank God Almighty, and I will not stop thanking you again and again. And first of all, most especially, I thank Almighty God for giving me life, for giving me the strength to be here. And the second person I will thank again is you guys that subscribe to me, that watch me, that do everything to me, that leave your comment there. I just want to say thank you, and thank you. Bye. Please share this video so that it go get to all those people wey be say they don already dey on top, they no wan make person come climb come meet them. Share this video to them so that they go learn. I think they need to know. Thank you so much. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.